Welcome to this walk around video. Here I'm going to showcase a new bit of stock, a 2025 75 registered Mercedes G450d AMG line Premium Plus. So starting off with the exterior, it does have the Magno obsidian black paint as well as full front end PPF. Other features include the night package, so all the blacked out elements to the exterior. Do of course have your Multibeam LED headlights with adaptive high beam assist plus, heated windscreen. If we move down the side of the car, you can see it comes with the 20-inch AMG 5 twin spoke alloys. The car does have the parking assistance package, so you've got your 360-degree cameras. If we move down the side of the car, it does of course have rear privacy glass, and to the rear you've got your tow bar as well as your spare wheel cover. Inside you do have the Black Nappa leather, all in lovely condition. Standard specification, you do have the Burmester 3D surround sound, heated outer rear seats, as well as your free zone climate control. Do also have the Designo Alcantara roof lining. In the front, you do of course have the facelifted interior. You've got the black ashwood interior trim. Of course, heated front seats with the memory package, as well as your folding and auto dimming mirrors. Electric glass sunroof, which does slide all the way back. Does come with the heated steering wheel and of course the updated widescreen infotainment display and instrument cluster. As you can see, the car's done just over 4,000 miles from new, so nice mileage. You do of course have the augmented reality navigation, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all your other infotainment through that screen. Do of course have the off-road cockpit with the differential locks, and down here you've got wireless phone charger as well as climate controlled cup holders. The car was registered in September of 2025, so it does come with Mercedes warranty until September 2028. It is a one owner vehicle, so if you do have any questions about this particular car, please do get in touch. The number is 01423 33 1133.